National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a tornado warning for Baltimore City in northern Maryland, northeastern Anne Arundel County in central Maryland, northeastern Howard County in central Maryland, southwestern Baltimore County in northern Maryland, until 4:45 p.m. At 4:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Ellicott City, or near historic Ellicott City, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, for those in the direct path of a tornado touchdown, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Damage to roofs, siding, and windows may occur. Mobile homes may be damaged or destroyed. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Baltimore, Columbia, Elk Ridge, historic Ellicott City, Baltimore Washington Airport, Ellicott City, Catonsville, Woodlawn, Milford Mill, and Lockern around 4:25 p.m. Glen Burnie, Pasadena, and Brooklyn Park around 4:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Hanover, Linthicum, Clarksville, Ilchester, Oella, West Friendship, Lansdowne, Woodstock, East Point, and Holythurpe. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the